Changing the size of your text in Microsoft Word is a quick process whether you are looking to make a bold header or fit more text on a single page. Here are the most efficient ways to do that. The most common method is using the font group located high right on the main toolbar. Now highlight the text you want to change. For example, you want to change the V, then go to the Home tab, and in the font box you need to click that and select the font size, and for example you want to make it 18. You can see that the font size of the letter increased. Moreover, you can directly click inside the font box and type 28, whatever the font size you want, and click OK, and here it is. So you can also use the grocery buttons with that. For this you need to click on that, and here you can see that an upward arrow to increase the size, a downward arrow to decrease the size. So if you prefer keeping your hands on the keyboard, these shortcuts are lifesaver. For example, if you want to increase the letter by 1 point, then select it and so press the control key and press the bracket. You will see that the font is increased, and press the control key and decrease the font by clicking arrow plus control key. Moreover, if you want to increase stepwise, then you need to press Ctrl Shift plus greater than sign. So this will increase the font stepwise. And if you want to decrease the stepwise, you need to Ctrl Shift plus less than sign. And here it is. So there is a more precise control including advanced spacing and scaling. Use the font dialog box. So for this you need to select your text and press Ctrl plus T to open the dialog box, and here is the font size. You need to select the desired font size, for example 22, and here in the preview you can see that the letter size has been increased like this one, and click OK. Moreover, if you want to change the default font size for every new document you open the font dialog box, then you need to choose the size, for example 18, and then click the set as default button at the bottom left side, and this window will be pop up. Do you want to set the default font to Century Gothic 18 pt font color? If you want to apply this document for only, or you want to make all document based on the normal templates. So I'm selecting right now this documents only, click OK, and here it is. So this way you can easily change the size of letter in Microsoft Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.